What are my boys doing? James, did your brother come in here after you were napping? What are you guys doing? You're playing in Jamesy's crib. Be sweet, that's his toys, okay? Give him one.
You can have one over there.
Oh, look at my two sweet boys.
Are you gonna take care of him, Mommy?
Are you taking care of him?
But you need to take care of him.
Don't take Jamesy's reindeer. Jamesy. I did that.
Everyone wants to claw.
Be careful.